Hey friends, we are making the Rajasthani Cheese Masala Paratha today. This is a unique recipe and a traditional Rajasthani dish. It is a healthy yet tasty option. We have taken the wheat dough for about 4 parathas. I will show you the paratha with and without cheese both. Smear the dough with wheat flour so that it does not get sticky. We are taking the dry pickle masala as our main ingredient. This is called as the Koro Sambar Masala or the Methia Masala, and you will find it in any grocery shop. Plus you will need cheese slices as the filling in the paratha. Now take the dough ball and start flattening it to make a nice paratha. While rolling the dough, make sure you apply small amount of dry flour to ensure the smoothness of the dough. Now take some dry pickle masala and spread it across the paratha. Then we can add a slice of cheese to it. Plus you will need cheese slices as the filling in the paratha. Now pack the cheese in the paratha dough in the square format and then again spread the dough with the wooden rolling pin. Now place the paratha on the pan and let's bake it. After it gets baked a little, apply oil or butter as per your choice on the paratha. I am applying oil to it and you can also add homemade butter or ghee to it. Make sure you apply the oil or butter evenly and also on the sides. After baking the paratha well, place it on a plate. This is our second cheese masala paratha getting baked. We are now making one paratha without the cheese. Follow the same process, just don't add the cheese in it. Add dry pickle masala in smaller portions as it's a spicy masala, so add it moderately. You need to bake the paratha till it gets golden brown. This recipe is so easy and quick to make that you will love making this paratha regularly. Our luscious Rajasthani Cheese Masala Paratha is ready. Have it for breakfast, lunch and it will be an ideal meal. This paratha is an ideal evening snack and you can make this when suddenly guests pop into your house. You can have this paratha with tomato sauce and curd. No need for additional pickle as the paratha already has dry pickle masala in it. This paratha is a combination of fun and taste. You can make this paratha with or without cheese as per your choice. This paratha becomes a very apt snack for kids to take it in their lunch boxes. It's quite filling and an easy to make recipe and is loved by all age groups.